Hello and welcome! Today's topic is a common concern among Apple Watch users: how to remove scratches from Apple Watch Sport screen. It's a question that has likely crossed your mind if you own one of these sleek devices. After all, despite its beauty and functionality, the Apple Watch Sport is not immune to the occasional scratch. But fear not, there are solutions available to restore your watch to its original shine. The Apple Watch Sport uses a glass called Ion X glass. It's reinforced to withstand the rigors of daily use. But like any glass, it's prone to scratches, particularly on the aluminum-cased models. The stainless steel, gold, and ceramic versions, on the other hand, are made of a tougher material called sapphire crystal, which is less susceptible to scratching. Now, on to the solutions. A popular method to remove scratches is using a liquid screen protector. The application process is straightforward. Clean the screen thoroughly, apply the liquid protector evenly, then let it dry. Once it's dry, buff it out with a microfiber cloth. The liquid fills in the scratches, and when it hardens, it creates a smooth surface that makes the scratches less noticeable. Another effective solution is a polishing agent. Products like Polywatch and Rolite are designed to polish out scratches on various surfaces, including the Ion X glass of an Apple Watch. Simply apply a small amount of the polish to a soft cloth and gently rub it on the scratched area in a circular motion. Repeat this process until you see improvement. Remember, while these methods can improve the appearance of your watch, they may not completely remove deep scratches. For those, you might need to seek professional help. Contact Apple or an authorized service provider for advice and assistance. To prevent future scratches, consider using a TPU screen cover. It's like a protective shield for your watch, warding off potential scratches without sacrificing touch sensitivity. One thing to avoid is using toothpaste as a scratch remover. Despite popular belief, toothpaste can cause more harm than good by damaging the oleophobic coating on the screen. In conclusion, while the Apple Watch Sport is a sturdy device, scratches can and do happen. But with a little bit of care and the right tools, you can keep your watch looking as good as new. Now, we turn it over to you. Which of these tips do you think you'll try first? Will you opt for a liquid screen protector, a polishing agent, or perhaps invest in a TPU screen cover to prevent scratches altogether? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.